Hi guys, myself Dr. Sonali Patel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you are enjoying. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Always. Today we will discuss about epilepsy. So what is epilepsy? एपिलेप्सी हा खूप कॉमन आजार आहे ज्याला आपण झटके म्हणतो, मिरगी म्हणतो, कन्व्हल्जन्स, सीझर्स आणि फिट्स. तर आपण थोडक्यात शॉर्टमध्ये त्याच्याबद्दल जाणून घेऊया. सो व्हॉट इज एपिलेप्सी or seizures? It is the sudden and excessive discharge of impulse in the brain. There are types of epilepsy. What are the types of epilepsy? First is the generalized epilepsy, also called as grand mal epilepsy or tonic-clonic seizures. Second is the partial seizures or focal seizure. The partial seizures, they are again divided into simple and complex. Simple are divided into motor sensory, complex is divided into frontal and temporal. So now what are the causes of first generalized seizures? Generalized seizures occurs, mainly the cause is genetic, but might be due to hypocalcemia, hyponatremia, hypocalcemia, then alcohol, phenothiazines, antidepressants, renal and hepatic failure. So these generalized seizures, they are the commonest seizures. Now second, the partial seizures, they occurs because of cerebral trauma. आणि trauma काही हेड इंजुरी झाली किंवा ट्रॉमा झाला तरी पण फिट्स येतात. तर पार्शल सीझरचं मोस्टली कॉज हे असतं सेरेब्रल ट्रॉमा, सेरेब्रल इन्फ्रॅक्शन, सेरेब्रल hemorrhage. There may be encephalitis, meningitis, then there will be syphilis, there will be empyema, hydrocephalus, cerebral cyst, cerebral tumors, and this thing multiple sclerosis. So these were the causes of partial seizures. Now we will see what happens in grand mal epilepsy. It is the most common type of epilepsy. Okay, and it's called as a tonic-clonic type. There are violent muscular contractions in this grand mal epilepsy, and here the electrophysiological activity involves the whole cerebral cortex. Whole cerebral cortex is involved. So the aura lasts for a few seconds till the loss of consciousness. There is tongue bite, there is locked jaw, there is clenched face, locked jaw, then there will be a headache, then there will be loss of memory, there will be sleepiness for 1 to 2 hours, that is called as the postictal phase. So this was about there are violent muscular contractions, and this is a very commonest type of epilepsy, that is the generalized epilepsy, and it involves the whole cerebral cortex. Now what happens in partial? In short, I had did all these things. It's a good long topic, but to understand I had made it very short and this thing understandable. So what are partial seizures? Partial seizures, the electric activity, the electric impulse is limited to some part of the brain. So it is called as a focal seizures. They are simple partial seizures and complex partial seizures. Simple partial seizures, they are divided into motor and sensory. Now what happens in the motor? The impulse arises from the precentral gyrus and creates the partial motor seizures in the contralateral face, arms, trunk and legs. Sometimes it's gradual from mouth to the great toe, so it moves gradually, then it is called as a Jacksonian epilepsy. And what happens in sensory? The impulse arise from the postcentral gyrus and causes numbness, tingling and electrical activity in the contralateral face, arms, trunks and legs. So this was about motor and sensory. Now how are you going to examine the patient when the patient comes to clinic or hospital? First, a detailed history should be taken about the disease and from the attendants. Then the head injury should be noted, electroencephalogram should be taken out, blood test should be done, CT scan, MRI should be done. General examination of the patient like pulse, BP, auscultation of the heart, head for trauma, optic fundi should be visualized. Then while managing, what is the like this you are going to examine the patient. What is the management? First, move the patient from the danger, make the patient safe, then make the patient in a semi-prone position. Then to prevent the tongue bite, the mouth gag should be put in the mouth, then airway should be maintained, hypoxia should be treated by giving the oxygen. Then what are the drugs? Pharmacological management. The pharmacological management for the treatment of epilepsy are the following drugs. First are the hydantoins, that is the phenytoin and phosphenotoin. Second are the barbiturates, that is the phenobarbital, aminostilbens, carbamazine, oxcarbazepines. Then carboxylic acid derivatives, they are sodium valproate, divalproic sodium, succinamide derivatives, ethosuccinamide. Then others like benzodiazepines, they are lorazepam, clozapam and diazepam. Others like lamotrigine, levetiracetam, then this thing gabapentin, pregabalin, they should be done. There is one condition which is called as the status epilepticus. The series of events, series of seizures occurs without the patient regaining awareness in between is called as the status epilepticus. This is the life-threatening medical emergency, and it may precipitate due to abrupt withdrawal of the anti-epileptic drug or sudden trauma. Now, again, one last the seizure is one. In other type, one more seizures are there, generalized absence seizures. Generalized absence seizure, they are mostly seen in children's. They are genetic. There is sudden loss of consciousness for few seconds and is not fatal, and there is no ictal palsy in there in the seizure. So this was about seizures. Hope you like my video. Please like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you all. Love you all.